Hello, learners. So, today's topic is how to think in English. So, we might have heard about four pillars of learning English, and that are writing, reading, listening, and speaking. But we often forget the five pillar, which is thinking. Yes, my dear, thinking is the most important tool in order to learn English faster. So when I was learning English in my initial period, I remember I used to face a lot of issues while constructing the sentences. So I used to put effort a lot. I used to practice regularly with writing, reading, listening, and speaking. But whenever I used to face fluent speakers, I used to get stuck, I used to get nervous, I used to feel hesitant. So it was hard for me to convey my feelings to those people. So I came across this method called thinking in English. So ever since I started practicing on my thinking, every time I used to speak with my parents, with my friends, with my relatives, I used to translate everything in the back of my mind at the same time. Initially, I used to find it really hard because it was extremely tough to kind of talk to a person and translate everything into English at the same time, but gradually I started getting used to it. Yes, it is not that hard. If you continue doing it, you'll get accustomed to it very soon. And even if you're not able to translate those words or phrases in English, you can simply note down somewhere, or you can go to Google or ChatGPT and translate those phrases and words immediately, and you'll get the answer, through which you can work on your communication skill and you can improve, right? So this is a very kind of a useful method in order to learn English faster way. So the question is how to begin with this process if you're a student or working professional. Well, if you're a student or working professional, you can simply try to befriend those people who are equally interested in improving their English. And if you are not able to make those kind of friends, you can simply create it by using several apps that are available where you can easily connect to your co-learners. If you don't have that much of time to spend in those apps, or you can't create that kind of environment, in that case you have only one option left, and that is thinking in English. Yes, whatever words, whatever phrase you use in your daily communication, you can simply translate into your head. And if you don't know the answer, you can simply note down somewhere in your head, or if you have pen or paper, you can simply write it down. And if you have access to your phone, you can immediately translate into English so that you get answer. And in future, if you use those phrases, you won't get stuck, right? It's a very useful method, and if you don't have time, you can simply apply this method. Or similarly, if you're a housewife, you can apply the same method. If you're a housewife and you are living the entire day alone at your home and you don't have anyone to practice with, so whatever you do from morning till night, you simply try to translate into English. Like you are cooking, let's say, so you have to describe your cooking in English. Similarly, if you're like doing dishes or washing clothes or cleaning house or mopping floor, each and every detail you have to put out in your words. if you're living with your family, you can put out those words into your head. Obviously you can't speak at that point of time, because I understand when you are in your initial stage and you really want to improve your English, it feels awkward to practice in front of the people. I can completely relate to it. So you can apply this method. It's very useful and helpful, and through which you can easily have command over English faster. So this particular method helped me a lot in my English speaking journey. It helped me a lot in so many different ways, and I started improving my English faster by using this method. So I thought of discussing with you. Yeah, I hope that it will help you as well the way it helped me. So wish you guys all the very best. Remember, this particular method is only for those people who don't have anyone to practice with in their home and who want to practice their English 24 hours to learn English faster. And once you get used to it, once you start having good command over English, you can reduce this method, because at that point of time, or by that time, you start having good command over English. So English will start coming from your mouth naturally, so you don't need to apply this method at that point of time. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more such content. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.